All right, so it's Super Bowl Sunday. Many of you are wondering, it rained a lot yesterday. Is it going to be raining today? Can I grill? Well, for the answer, we're going to turn to Tom.
Good morning. Well, the fog is the issue this morning here in the coastal bend. It'll start to clear out late morning. Shouldn't be a bad afternoon here in the coastal bend. The real action is out to the west. Boy, California is dealing with some very heavy rain, and that's causing problems from the LA area all the way up to San Francisco, especially the areas that had been dealing with the fires just a couple of months ago. They don't have a lot of vegetation to keep the mudslides down, so that's going to be a big threat. And this is just storm one, another storm two coming in the next couple of days. We're looking at 66 degrees, cloudy skies here in the coastal bend. Winds are light out of the south at 5 miles per hour. Most of the temperatures this morning in the mid to upper 60s, 67 in Beeville, 64 in Rockport. Poor day this morning coming in at 63 degrees. Now the winds are going to be light, pretty much like yesterday, out of the south, bringing in some of that moisture. We're seeing all of that fog out there. Visibility is at 0 in many locations from Kingsville, Beeville, Rockport, the Naval Air Station. Visibility a little bit better in both Alice and Orange Grove, but dense fog across much of the region. There is a dense fog advisory in place, and that is through 10 a.m. The fog will be a little bit slower to clear out if you're right near the water. Now we should see a little bit of clearing today, but looks like most of the rain is going to be moving up to the north, but hopefully we'll see a few sun breaks, but still expect mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures above average in the mid 70s. Now the future tracker indicating we are going to see mostly cloudy skies, maybe a little bit of a break, but the rain moving up off to our east, but we're going to be seeing cloudy skies and temperatures in the 70s pretty much for most of next week. Temperatures around the state, 60 in Dallas, 61 in Houston, a little bit cooler over in Marfa. This morning, 37 degrees. So here is that big storm system, all that heavy rain now moving in across the desert southwest over into Phoenix. More rain across central California and the Los Angeles area. And this storm system impacting all the way up along the Pacific Northwest. But the really cold air, the record polar vortex that we saw this last week is pushing back to the north, and that's allowing milder temperatures for the Twin Cities and Chicago. Here's a look at our forecast for today. Cloudy, warm, 76 degrees for tonight. The fog's coming on back. Look for an overnight low of 63 degrees. Our 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy shows temperatures will stay in the mid to upper 70s, overnight lows in the 60s. Now, the next front is going to come late Thursday night into Friday, cooling us down next weekend. But, you know, everybody, Super Bowl Sunday.
Super Bowl Sunday, yeah.
76, cloudy, hard to complain about that.
You can't beat that, that's for sure. Going to be great weather. Well, that's going to do it for the first hour of Chris 6 News Sunrise. Stay tuned, though. We're going to go to the Today Show and then come back at 8, and Tom and I will have more.
We want you to join us then.
Yeah, please do. See you then.